Hi guys, it's Sandy here, and today I'll be making and eating this Yopokki butter onion flavored tteokbokki. Honestly, that sounds like it would be a really tasty popcorn spice. I did receive this Yopokki tteokbokki from A-mart, so if you do want to purchase that, the link will be down below in the description. Stay tuned and watch this video if you want to see how I make this instant tteokbokki, and skip to the end if you want to see me try it out and give a little review. Inside this packet we have the tteokbokki and a little spice sachet. I just poured some boiling water into a saucepan on the stove and added the packet of spice, gave that a little stir until all the spice started dissolving nicely. Then you need to carefully add in the tteokbokki. Please do it carefully. I did not do it carefully and it splattered all over the place. Then you just want to let this vibe in the pot for around 20 to 30 minutes until the sauce is as thick as you want it to be. And this is what it looked like when it was done. The tteokbokki gets nice and soft, and what's nice is you can't overcook this, so the tteokbokki will not get soggy no matter how long it's on the stove. So here we have the tteokbokki, and I just put a bit of cheese on because it smells like it would be really nice with cheese. It smells like those pouch packets of cheese sauce. You know, the Knorr one that you can use for like lasagna and pasta dishes. More specifically, that cheese sauce that comes with the lasagna made. It really smells like that, but let's give this a taste. Oh my gosh. It's a sweet, cheesy taste. Oh, I'm glad I put cheese on top of this. I'm sorry, this is really good. I'm really enjoying the instant pouch tteokbokkis that you cook on the stove. It comes so soft and soaked with flavor. I think my neighbor can see me right now. This is so awkward. Anyway, is this why people have a ring light? So that they can close their window and their neighbors don't have to watch them? Because I'm relying on natural light here. Back to the tteokbokki. Okay, I need to speak, but it's so good. I love the sweetness of it. It's a sweet, cheesy taste. A subtle onion, not overwhelming. And a very nice, creamy sauce. The nice thing about this tteokbokki is you can't overcook it, or it's not easy to overcook. So you can cook it as much as you want until you get the desired consistency for the sauce. If you want a weaker sauce that you can slurp up with a spoon, you can cook it for less time than I did. But if you want a thicker, creamier sauce like me, then just go ahead and extend the cooking time. Pepper. I get a nice peppery taste as well. You can really tell if I like what I'm eating. Do make sure you check out my previous video where I make a rapokki and I use the sweet and spicy tteokbokki. This is just so nice to eat on its own, but you could also use it in a cheesy rapokki. And maybe use the cheese flavor samyang noodles. A really nice peppery taste going on. It's really like that sauce that you use in a lasagna. The taste of the actual tteokbokki is really difficult to explain. I was quite hungry as well, so I'm eating this for lunch. It's really filling. If you make all the tteokbokki, you can just eat it on its own as a whole meal. So So definitely consider getting the onion and butter flavor if you're not big on spicy food or can't tolerate spicy foods very well. And even if you're a type of person that doesn't like the taste of onion, I think you could still enjoy this. You know what? I think this would taste really nice in a chutney, if you know what I mean. Like, fry some onions and put some tomatoes in there. Tteokbokki chutney. At this point, I'm getting a bit full. Actually really full. Ooh. There's actually little pieces of onion in here. And I think little pieces of garlic. In that, in the flakes. In the spicy flakes that I put in here. This is a pleasant experience. I'm so used to suffering on camera. Last one. And that is it for today's video. Nice and short, I think, because I ate that so fast. If you do want to purchase this onion and butter flavored tteokbokki, I will link A-mart's store link and details down below in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, and don't forget to follow my socials, which will be linked down below in the description. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!